Tell us about your path, because working at this, defense firm. They're defending employers mostly, right? That's what Fisher Phillips does.
That's it.
And when was it just, this ain't my thing?
Yeah, probably like a year in. So ironically, although this was a labor and employment firm in Atlanta where you have a lot of African Americans, I was the only black male lawyer there.
Really?
The entire firm, at least in the Atlanta office. And working at defense firms, you have to go around and get business from the partners. They have to want to give you cases and give you things to work on. Yeah, at least at.
I'm a pure blood. I've never been on the defense.
Yeah, at least at some of these larger firms.
I'm a gold star plaintiff lawyer.
I wish I would have started earlier on the plaintiff side, but yeah, at least at that time, in a lot of these bigger firms, you have to go walk around and build these relationships with these partners or senior associates and hope that they pass something down to you to work on. And that was always a struggle for me to do that, and I just always felt awkward and always kind of felt a little isolated. But I would get work from time to time, but it just never resonated with me to sit in the office all day, every day, on calls, never taking depositions. In fact, the policy back then, at least at the firm, was you can't take a deposition or even defend a deposition until year 5.
What?
Yeah. Seriously, at least in the Atlanta office.
Why would you waste lawyer talent like that?
I don't think they saw me as an up-and-coming trial lawyer. They knew I did it in mock trial, but...
That is so unfortunate. We do things opposite. Like, I have a few lawyers that were trying cases while in law school. Like, you identify that unique talent. Why not nurture it?
But to what you were saying is they don't really try cases at Fisher Phillips. So that's not what they valued, was trying cases. It was more about, all right, work the file, push the paper, and it just wasn't for me. I was not going to be able to do that for the rest of my life. I was going to flame out very quickly. So I said, let's figure out something else and get the hell out of here.
So where'd you go?
So I actually, while I was still at Fisher Phillips, I was emailing random plaintiffs lawyers, just Googling random plaintiffs lawyers, trying to meet with them, trying to get somebody to hire me. Nobody would, because I didn't have any PI experience, and they didn't want to, how on the plaintiff side sometimes they don't want to pay to teach you. Correct. So they said, go to an insurance defense firm. I did that for about 6 months, and then I got hired by a plaintiff's firm, and I've been on this side ever since for the last 10 years, really.